question 26, we're looking at punctuations that join clauses. Punctuation that joins clauses. So first of all, jetties, these long, narrow structures that extend from landmass into water, are often constructed to protect coastlines from erosion. Jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect, obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shore can. So here, obstructing can lead to increased erosion in some areas, and jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect. Your job is to see if this though belongs to the first sentence, the sentence that begins with jetties, or the sentence that begins with obstructing. And clearly you can see that knowing what the jetties are, these can sometimes have the opposite effect though. One other thing about this transition though is that it can be placed in the beginning or in the middle or at the end. So the interpretation of the idea using jetties sometimes have the opposite effect though versus though obstructing the natural flow of sand along the shoreline. But if you put though into the obstructing sentence, then there's nothing that comes after here. So we know that though can't be placed in the second sentence, thereby knowing that though needs to be placed in the first one. So let's check if this is the right way to place though by reading it properly. Okay, that is by trying. Jetties can sometimes have the opposite effect though. Obstructing the natural flow of a sand along the shore can lead to increased erosion in some areas. This seems to be the most logical way of doing it. So the correct answer for 26 would be using though in the front, and use a semicolon to start off a new sentence here. Choice B, if you do effect, and then if you choose choice B, this though belongs to the obstructing sentence. Choice C again, this though belongs to obstructing sentence. And choice D is doing independent clause, though independent clause, and this is what we call a run-on sentence. So your answer is clearly choice A.